Just for you, ladies and gentlemen, the only flying example in the world. And you're privileged to see it here today. I always think it's like something out of Star Wars.
About the sandstorm, Jack. See what he means about the sandstorm. Oh, blimey, Riley.
Well, there we are. Wonderful, wonderful music, wonderful setting. Four Rolls-Royce Bristol Olympics engines in formation there. Two shaft turbojets, 16,400 pounds of thrust each. That is meaty and mighty.
Certainly is, George. Delta-wing subsonic jet bomber. And it almost looks to me as if it's something living. It's like a great pterodactyl. You look up to the sky and you imagine yourself millions of years ago, this great bird coming out of the sky. Well, that's certainly what it reminds me of. Here, ladies and gentlemen, feel free to wave because they can see you down here. Those pictures snapping and see the bulbs going on now.
Martin Withers at the controls there with that entire black crew, I should say. He graduated in 1968, went straight on to Vulcan via QFI and went back